Hello everyone and welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb carry on and show you a number of its different meanings. Meaning one of the phrasal verb carry on is to continue moving or doing something. The driver asks for directions to the next town. How do I get there? Carry on up this road for 2 kilometers and you'll find the next town. On their road trip, they think they took a wrong turn. Is this the right way? Yeah, carry on towards the church and take a left when you get to it. The manager has a meeting outside the office. He delegates to his team before he leaves. Okay, guys, just carry on with today's task until I come back. An argument broke out between 2 employees. Afterwards, the manager was asking for witnesses to what happened. I was there, but I just carried on working. It was none of my business. After her scientist father died, she swore to fulfill his wishes. He wanted someone to carry on his research, so that's exactly what I'm doing. Meaning 2 of carry on is to behave in an angry, excited, or emotional way. The kid isn't happy that they didn't get the sweets they wanted. There's no point in carrying on, you are still not getting them. We have enough at home. The employee expected to be given the promotion. When it didn't happen, he was very angry. I thought it was me who would get the job. Well, carrying on like this is doing you no good. So let's look back on what we've covered. Carry on can mean to continue moving or doing something. Until we are told otherwise, let's carry on with what we're doing. To behave in an angry, excited, or emotional way. Don't carry on when we get there, or you'll be in trouble. Where did you hear the phrasal verb carry on? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English phrasal verbs you can use in social situations and in the workplace.